Hey guys, it's me and Amy here, and Amy's now playing the fidget spinner game.
5 goes.
Yeah, you only get 5 goes.
You mean 5 spins?
Yeah. She's got 9,062 points. Is this your favourite fidget spinner, Amy?
I don't think so. I've got a better one, guys.
What's your favourite?
Should I show you?
Yeah.
Look at all of these though. This one.
And Amy's playing on her iPad.
Look at that one.
I know.
And that one then. All of these.
What about your
My favourite one is that one.
Customised? I got that one. And I also have the app.
I'm trying to look on the iPad to press it. Really? Oh, it goes off.
Yeah, it goes off.
Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Please,
Amy, can you show us your customised one?
Oh, really, guys? Should I look? This is it with all the colours. Look, I want to show you guys all the colours. This one. Comment down below if you want this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one.
So basically, do you want wood, blue, pink, gold or silver?
Silver, yeah. I would rather have wood and black. Comment down below which one you would have.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Then maybe in the next video we'll show you.
It keeps on stopping though. Like I spin it and then my finger keeps on going that blue off. Then it's ready. Oh yeah, Cruz did that. He's videoing.
Amy, say bye.
Bye.